Hi, my name's Amarok from Pegasus. I'm here today to talk to you about our new product, a sliding tray, which is fitted inside the rear bed of this Amarok. Now, a lot of people don't want a canopy on a pickup truck. What they want is a covered lid that opens at 45 degrees so that they can keep the vision out the back of the pickup quite clear for them and keep the look of the pickup as well. The downside to having a conventional lid is that most of them open at 45 degrees. And whilst you've got access at the back quite easily here, on the tailgate, and you can get to most things, when you've got something at the front which is heavy, bulky, whatever, and you've got a conventional lid that opens at 45 degrees, it's very difficult at this point to get anything at all. So the advantage of the sliding tray is that if you've got, as I say, heavy pieces of equipment or tools that you want to get at, you could very easily slide the tray out to this position here, which then allows you to get everything you could possibly want. As I say, it's easy access and you can just get hold of it. It's a beautifully made construction. It's got a rugged surface on the top, anti-slide. We've got this surround on it so nothing will slide off the top of it. You've also got securing latches here to keep everything secure, and it's very easy to operate. I just pull on this lever here, close it up, slide it back in, and all my goods are back where I want them to be. Close up the tailgate in a conventional way, slam the lid shut, and it's all secure inside. So a great product, comes with the usual Pegasus warranty, 3 years, and it will give you years of good service. Thank you for listening.